Hey, yeah, yeah. Yes, it's yeah. Number two. I told you I'm back and I'm better. So, in the next video, I'm gonna be looking way better. Hey, look, I'm on accident. I'm not a rapper. I'm not a rapper, but I can beat your favorite rapper. Hey, this is what I do. This is what I do. So look, today we doing this, bro. We find the love of my life. We don't care how far we gotta go. What's the distance? Hey, whatever it costs, we gonna find it. Yeah. So we found love of our life today. We found love of my life today. You feel me? So hey. Y'all coming? Y'all coming? All right, here you go. Here. Bow. Bow. Ooh, wait. You're not going in? Wait, hold up. I got you. I look. Oh. Bow. You gotcha. Gotcha. Nah. All right. So look. What we listening to today, man? Look, I'm gonna strap y'all boys in again, man. I know y'all would like that, man. A little solo touch that, to tell y'all I got y'all. You feel me? So what y'all listen to today? Hey, I see your ass growing up now, huh? You're not looking at the dash no more. You're not a little nigga no more, I see. You ain't no little nigga, I see. I fuck with it. Yes, sir. What we listen to today, man? What y'all want to jam today?
Charging.
Huh?
Power on.
You don't know? Come on, man.
Connected.
Talk to me. Talk to me nice and talk to me at all. Should play. Huh? But I'm telling you on Shield. What? She'll play on SoundCloud or on Apple Music. Okay, last time. Nah, look, nigga, look at me. Okay, last time they got them copyrighted my ass. You feel me? For playing that motherfucking Uzi. So y'all sure y'all want the Apple Music, huh? Say, nigga, you better speak up, nigga. Alright, hey, I'll put you back. SoundCloud, Deontay. Okay, bet. I'll do a SoundCloud for you. Cause you know why? They can't say I copyrighted that. Haha. Can't say that one. Cause it's a leak. No capital. Stay safe, nigga. Stay dangerous. Alright. I have a classic smoothie with just a classic smoothie, man. Nothing too special, nothing too crazy. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Hello.
Hi, welcome to Main Squeeze.
Hello, how you doing?
Doing good.
May I have a classic smoothie?
A classic?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
All right, anything else for you today?
That's all.
You have a phone number with us?
No, sir.
Would you like to start one? Or?
Yeah, I'll start one.
Let's see. Which first? Hang on a second. Which first name?
Deontay. D-I-A-N-T-E.
Yeah, classic. And which phone number?
337-842. Yes, sir.
Okay. 337-872-4733.
847. I mean, 842. 842.
I got it all messed up. Okay, 337-842.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. 337-842.
Yes, sir.
I got it all messed up. 876.
All right. I got some cash.
Would you like to proceed with that?
No, sir.
You good?
Yes, sir. I'm good.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Thank you. You have a great day, man.
You too. Damn. My car declined. What the fuck? Good thing I have some cash on me though. No kill. Oh, kill. But damn, my shit declined on me? That ain't never happened. And it was a nigga too? I just took a big L all around. I thought I was gonna meet my wife and some shit. Damn. Big L. Fuck! Fuck, man. Hey, you coming in here, man? Hey, you coming in here, bro? Say, nigga, you hear me talking? You coming, bro? No, Deontay, I'm not coming. You sure, bro? Like, that's not even like you, though. Like, just say no. Like, you coming? You sure? Like, you want to stay in here? I mean, keep the AC on for you if you stay, for real? Yeah, Deontay, I'm sure. I'm sure I want to stay in here. I want to be alone. Man, we gotta talk whenever I get back, man, because you acting weird. Like, what's wrong with you? Better be not because somebody said something to you, because, hey, yeah, I'm going to check about that. Yeah. But, hey, alright, bro. Shit, I guess I'll keep you in here. I'll come back, though. I swear. Promise I won't leave you. I promise. Hey, look. Give me a kiss. Hey, you want to cheat? You want one of the lips? You want one of the lips? Okay, you trying to get nasty. But, hey, no, you niggas. Go ahead and leave, man. Y'all might as well go ahead and leave the room, man. Y'all not welcome right now. Look. Hey. Relax. You can have more later, no cap. If you subscribe, though, and you like this video. I promise. But chill. Relax. But, hey, tell your nigga he can come back now. You feel me? It's safe. It's safe now. Hey, bro, you back now, huh? We did not do nothing. Because we bros, you feel me? We didn't do nothing. But you one of them hating niggas? We did whatever you think we did. Plus some. Yeah, we living like that. No cap. Say love. Hey, look. Hey, you don't want to look at me? I got you. I'm going to look at you. Make sure you're looking at me. So we can make this work. No cap. But look. They had him. So I found the love of my life. And no cap. They had it. They had it, no cap. We about to go crazy now. Yep, nigga back home. I don't know if y'all heard it, man, but nigga said my shit declined. So look, this brings a very important point. Life lesson. Keep a little cash on you. Boy, no cap. Keep cash on you, bro. You never know when you gonna need that shit. And I hate cash, bro. hate it. Absolutely hate it. But I keep a little on me, no cap. Say nigga, hey, you ain't gotta tell everybody. Fuck. Keep that between me and you. But it's cool. It's cool, don't worry about it. Just keep cash on you, dog. No cap. This in the vlog, man. Number 2. I told y'all we getting lit. No cap. I'm here forever. No cap, no cap, no cap. Bye.
No cap.
Hey, you press that subscribe button yet? Bitch!